naging one yung student body ng school. And parang ito talaga yung pinaka-important na na freshman meet. Tsaka kahit hindi ka fan ng bands, parang papasigaw ka for them. Parang ngayon, kasi super fun niya.
Masabi ko, maganda ito. Sana maulit-ulit. Nila. Salamat.
The freshman trip was very fun. It was my first time, but yet really had much fun. And all of my friends were there, so it was so amazing. And then I hope again for the next time, it will be the same.
Masaya siya kahit hindi ako masyadong fan ni Teddy. Talagang naging rak-rakan na. Rak ako doon. Hanggang kinabukasan, hindi ako makaget over. So yun, sobrang saya. Enjoy ko yung fresh. Tsaka naramdaman ko na yung pagiging college.
Masaya, nakakabingi.
That was totally fun. Actually, that was my first time to attend such activity. Sa susunod, gusto ko pang umatin ng ganun pa kasi sobrang saya.
Saya, grabe. Woo! Ingay! Sakit sa ulo!
Masaya! Party-party!
For me.